Alright, what's doing, Kicks fam? It is the 50th anniversary of that iconic superstar from Adidas, and I've been waiting for a superstar that doesn't look like it's been designed by a 5-year-old with a pack of crayons, and this one had some subtle tweaks to the iconic silhouette, and I thought this one's going to be a banger. But Adidas, why you do me like that? I am really disappointed. Bam, 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 shots fired. Find out why, watch the review. Alright, welcome to the Kicks 75 channel, and today's review of course is the Superstar. I got these, I think they're JD Sports exclusive, like the colorway and style, but yeah, I got them from JD Sports. And look, here we go, there's the box label, bam, and our special 50th anniversary. Look at that 50th anniversary branding on the box. There's none. There's none. It's that plain blue box. Yes, we know and we love the blue box, but hey, this is the 50th anniversary. I'll give you a look at the Puma Suede 50th anniversary and have a look. You'll see what I mean. Let me grab it. So we get nice gold 50th anniversary branding for the Puma Suede, for the Superstar. Nothing, I think basically Adidas just don't care. I don't know what's going on at Adidas. Hey Adidas, call me, let me know what's gone wrong, because I have other issues with this Superstar, but we're going to get into it because we're going to do honest reviews on this channel, and that's what we do. We give our honest opinion, and so I'm going to tell you guys like it is. So we get quite nicely beige, sort of branded with the tray foil there on the paper. And bam, there we go, there's our sneaker. Very nice looking sneaker. The color blocking is on point and looks really nice, but hey, still there's a couple of things that I've got to point out which I personally wasn't happy with. Maybe you guys would be, I don't know. We're going to do an on foot at the end of this, so you can check out the on foot. You still might like the shoe and say, hey, I don't mind it as a beater, but hey, they could be deal breakers, so let's get into it. Alright, what we have is a beautiful looking herringbone gum sole, which is one of the reasons why I brought this shoe. I thought it was a nice change up. Don't see many Superstars with gum soles, and it gives a really nice contrast on the cup sole. The other reason why I purchased this particular sneaker, look at that, it has debossed tray foils on all over the upper. I thought that was a really nice switch up and very nicely executed for the Superstar silhouette. Now, 50th anniversary of the Superstar. Imagine if they had done an MCM collaboration. When you look at this and you can just imagine it on the silhouette, would have been absolutely dope. But so far, nothing. I know the Prada collab's coming out soon. Hopefully they execute that with quality, but maybe not. I've only got this one to judge it by, and not super impressed, to be honest. So there we have the look. Let's look at the heel tab there, navy blue with the gold Adidas tray foil. Looks very nice. We have a gold Superstar. We have the jagged edge 3 stripes, which is a trademark of the Superstar silhouette, and we also have gold Adidas classic branding on the tongue there. La Marquis X3 bandies or whatever. Yeah, 3 stripes in other words. Looks really nice. We only get the one set of white laces. Would have been nice to have a navy option of laces, would have gone well, but we only get the one set of laces. Now, the whole sneaker is synthetic. If this was leather, it would be a banger. It would be really dope. Just nice quality leather on these, which would have really made them pop, but it's not, and that just really annoys me. It lets me down in a big way. And one of the main reasons it lets me down, you know when you get a fresh pair of sneakers and you, oh, it smells good. It's just not there. The smell is just not there. But hey, is what it is. Not super mad at it being synthetic. These days I can kind of understand it. People are moving away from leather and going for more recyclable and, you know, technologically superior synthetics, but for a classic 50th anniversary superstar, you could have done it, Adidas. But now for I've just pulled that inner sole out, and I'll get my old pair from 2016 pair, which are pretty beat up. And there's one major thing which triggered me, and I'll use the word triggered. If you look in there, it has a layer of foam. I think it might be Adiprene or cloud foam or something in there. So when you walk in them, very, very comfortable. But if we go for the new version of the Superstar, we just have a little bit of a squishy like strobel there, and it's straight onto the rubber cup sole, which is a big downgrade in quality. Adidas, why would you cut corners like this? Maybe corporate struggling for money, the sales aren't there, I don't know why, but it is a big difference and a big thing for me. It has an Ortholite inner sole, but as you can see, it's really just, it's nothing there. So these are going to be really, you know, when you walk around in a pair of Jordan 1s all day and they hurt your feet, these I think probably going to go down the same road as that, and just really lets down the comfort side of things. Adidas, why you would do this, I don't understand. It's the 50th anniversary, no special box, no cushioning, synthetic. It just makes me say, Adidas, why did you do me like that? Why? But anyway, it's still a dope looking shoe, but all those other things, I don't know if I personally can let that go. But hey, if you want to purchase this shoe, true to size, it's an Adidas Superstar, so go your normal Adidas size, you won't have any trouble, and they do look really good. So check out the On Foot, have a look at that. Hey, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and at the end of the On Foot there will be an end screen. Click on another review and watch some more reviews from the Kick 75 channel. That would be dope.
I get some bands and I get some bands and my little baby, yeah. I get some bands and I get some bands and my little baby, yeah. I get some bands and I get some bands and my little baby, yeah. I get some bands and I get some bands and my little baby, yeah. Lace up and drip it down, take her wherever, yeah. Say the word and we take trips, I'm with whatever, yeah. Don't bring me down, she build me up, not talking teddy bears. She not Bonnie, I'm not Clyde, but if it need, we're down to ride. His and hers, the wave, we got the same taste. Blue, we like the same faces. Grinding day and night, I need a vacation. Bring my little baby, it's a vacation. I get some bands and I get some bands and my little baby, yeah. I get some bands and I get some bands and my little baby, yeah.